Here I have Huawei's Y7a, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. You can switch this mode here. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add a schedule for this mode here. You can add exceptions, for example, for calls from everyone, from contacts only, from favorites only, or from nobody. The same goes to messages, and there's also an option repeat callers. If the same person calls a second time within 15-minute period, allow this call. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.